Welcome aboard, Brandona. Hit me up on the Discord if you needed help getting out into the country club, man. Appreciate it. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just getting some more things set up. I'll be right back. What's up, guys?
I know you told my mom.
Hey, Pete. Welcome back to the World Wide Web. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Could have grabbed another duck from the park. Player 2, Dan, isn't asking for anyone's personal information. That may not be them. Hmm. It's possible. Sometimes it could be difficult to differentiate one duck in a bonnet from another. Yeah, Girk is home. Am I? My internet at home is never out. That can't be possibly true. Sus. Just one sec. I recall you went to the library one day. Well, yeah, that was a long time ago. To use the Bloomberg machine? That's right. I think the bulls push up a bit here. Do you? Seems like we keep wearing 70 down quite a bit. It must have been a long time ago. Usually the way the internet goes down at my house, it's because my cat knocks my fucking modem out of the wall. Or the power brick. Because he uses it to get on his favorite table. Which surprisingly no amount of redundancies on your internet connection can fix. Jfresh sneaking around in odd corners of Girk's home. Yeah, actually. Thanks, Saint Smokey. Good morning. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to be able to get substantially below 70 here, but there's definitely some downward pressure. Fortunately, missing Pickles picks today wasn't a very big deal. Not a lot of macro today and stuff, and it's the same levels we had on Friday, so so far. Hmm. The cool thing is, Danimal can come on stream and listen to his song. Because I made a new song. I know Hayden Panettiere died, and it is sad. Hmm. Hmm. I think down to the implied move, sell. Uh, I mean, we could get close to 50, I guess. It doesn't look particularly promising, but it's not impossible. Any chance the sold 70Ps capitulate? Yeah. I mean, if they do, then we can slip the IM. But I don't know. It's not just the sold 70Ps that need to capitulate. Mhm. Yeah, it's tough. There's a lot of fucking sold puts down here, but it's not a small number of them. Might need more of a catalyst than just Houthis attacking Aramco. Well, it's not time for calls if we're going to keep selling off. But it seems like they would defend this. Wait, Trump's gonna let Xi sit behind the desk in the Oval Office? That's like every lawyer's office I've been in that has like some rare Brazilian fruitwood desk. What's the Resolute desk made out of? White oak and mahogany? Ship, yeah. You can't make things out of capitalism. Well, since we're going through below the IM, I guess I can play Danimal's song.
It's a bear day.
It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
A little bit of red won't get in the way.
We can trade the downside
And still be okay.
We can buy some put spreads or sell a few calls.
Watch the little candles as the market falls.
Oh no, draw a little trend line and wait for the break.
Buy a little dip.
Oops, that was a mistake. A red day may not be as bright,
But bears have waited all week for tonight. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
we can keep trading and we can still play.
A little bit of red won't get in the way.
We can trade the downside.
And still be okay.
Look at all the volume. Feel the market thump.
Everybody gather round.
Dump, dump, dump. Sell a little rally.
Watch the buyers beg.
Maybe buy some puts before the next leg.
Outside there may be sunshine.
Inside, the selling never stops.
Never stops. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
A little liquidation won't get in the way.
We can trade the downside.
And still be okay.
Bulls like it up,
Up, up, up.
bears like it down.
Down, down, down.
Everybody wants to know who's getting squeezed now.
Turn those candles upside down.
Lower highs and lower lows.
Round and round the market goes.
Someone bought the dip too soon.
See you at support this afternoon.
Keep your position nice and small.
You don't have to catch it all. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading
And we can still play.
The bulls like it up
And the bears like it down.
and everybody's getting excited right now.
We like it up.
We like it down.
We like it down.
The harder the move.
The more fun all around.
That sounded funny. It's finance. Of course it is. Red candle.
Yay! Volatility. Yay!
Puts are printing.
Yay! Margin call.
Sell the rip.
Hey! Buy the dip. Hey!
Bought the dip again.
It dipped again.
Oh, maybe stop doing that.
It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play. The market can tumble and ruin someone's day.
But probably not ours. It's a bear day,
But that's okay.
that's okay. And we can keep trading, and we can still play.
Bulls want it higher and bears want their way.
So wiggle your little puts on a bear day.
Wiggle your puts.
Shake your calls.
Watch those big red candles fall.
We want it up. We want it up.
We want it down.
There's plenty of action to go around.
It's a bear
Bear
day.
day, but that's okay.
Trade a little red and then call it a day.
Up or down, we'll be back anyway.
It's a bear day.
Hooray! It's a bear day. Hooray!
I feel like I'm watching Glee. That was a good one. Probably really outdid themselves. How long have you been waiting to play that one? Not long. I had memories of the kids from Barney pulling stuff out of his magic bag. Oh, Jesus Christ. Barney had my fucking little brother and sister are like a decade younger than me. And they used to watch so much fucking Barney. You know who I hated? And this is fucked up. The like little deaf kid with the fucking with the ear things. I hated that son of a bitch. He didn't do anything wrong. He was just annoying as fuck. Like, even when I was like 13, I was like, this kid's a chud, you know? Like he was awful. He was such a little fucking kiss ass. He was always trying to get in like Barney's good side. Classic sociopath behavior. I'm not a sociopath. I just have difficulty with empathy. I'm gonna find an image of that little fucker. Here he is. What was your last message? My daughter's trying to explain the concept of gravastars and super condensed nothing. How do I get her interested in trading? She'll be 4 in October. You need to go to like a Goodwill, and you need to find one of those like pocket blackjack games with the little LCD screens. Like it's got like a calculator screen, and on the back of it is the probability distribution for all the hands. And that's the only like game you can allow her to play. I saw your message. Let's have a listen. You missed it? You suck. All right, that's fine. I'll play it again.
It's a bear day.
It's a bear day, but that's okay.
It's still valid, so.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
A little bit of red won't get in the way.
We can trade the downside
And still be okay.
We can buy some put spreads or sell a few calls.
Watch the little candles as the market falls.
Oh no, draw a little trend line and wait for the break.
Buy a little dip.
Oops, that was a mistake. A red day may not be as bright,
But bears have waited all week for tonight. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
we can keep trading and we can still play.
A little bit of red won't get in the way,
We can trade the downside.
and still be okay.
Look at all the volume. Feel the market thump.
Everybody gather round.
Dump, dump, dump. Sell a little rally.
Watch the buyers beg.
Maybe buy some puts before the next leg.
Outside there may be sunshine.
Inside, the selling never stops.
Never stops. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
A little liquidation won't get in the way,
We can trade the downside.
and still be okay.
Bulls like it up,
Up, up, up,
bears like it down.
down, down, down.
Everybody wants to know who's getting squeezed now.
Turn those candles upside down.
Lower highs and lower lows.
Round and round the market goes.
Someone bought the dip too soon.
See you at support this afternoon.
Keep your position nice and small.
You don't have to catch it all. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading
And we can still play.
The bulls like it up
And the bears like it down.
and everybody's getting excited right now.
We like it up.
We like it down.
We like it down.
The harder the move.
The more fun all around.
That sounded funny. It's finance. Of course it is. Red candle.
Yay! Volatility. Yay!
Puts are printing.
Yay! Margin call.
Sell the rip.
Buy the dip.
Bought the dip again.
It dipped again.
Oh, maybe stop doing that.
It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play. The market can tumble and ruin someone's day.
But probably not ours. It's a bear day,
But that's okay.
that's okay. And we can keep trading, and we can still play.
Bulls want it higher and bears want their way.
So wiggle your little puts on a bear day.
Wiggle your puts.
Shake your calls.
Watch those big red candles fall.
We want it up. We want it up.
We want it down.
Yeah, probably
Plenty of
bounce
action
around
to
here.
go around.
It's
There's a big
bear
sold put
day.
wall at 50.
But that's okay.
Trade a little red.
Although
and
if we
then
lose
call
that, this
it
thing's
a
gonna
day.
dump.
Up or down, we'll be back anyway.
It's a bear day.
Hooray! It's a bear
If we go,
day.
if we go under,
Hooray!
if we go under like 45, Vana squeezes to the downside. I guess between 45 and 35.
Folks, the straight is open.
Yep, there. If I had this on repeat, I'd be a better trader. You want to listen to the Straight of Hormuz song? It's probably valid today.
Folks, the strait is open, completely open. Possibly the most open body of water in history. So, no ships are moving. Exactly, no traffic. Monday open, roll the victory graphic. Tuesday closed, every tanker stops in traffic. Wednesday open, Brent collapses on the rumor. Thursday maintain a sense of humor. Friday deal, oh man says it's complicated. Saturday soon, the announcement's been updated. Sunday peace, by breakfast that's expired. The Strait has more soft launches than a startup that got fired. There's a ribbon on the water, there's a mine beneath the bow. If you ask if ships are moving, that's a hostile question now. It's open, close, it's open, close. It's open if you don't own a boat. It's open, close. Believe what you're told, the tankers turn around, but the headline is gold. It's open on the Chiron, it's closed on AIS. It's Schrodinger's shipping lane, the truth is anybody's guess. Open, 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 close. Open, open, close. Grand opening! Please remain outside. The insurer says nope. The captain says not me. Google Maps says take the Cape. 3 weeks toll free. A tanker makes a U-turn. Brent puts on dancing shoes. Every grand reopening lasts exactly through the news. The White House says completely. Tehran says not for you. Oman says the deal is close. The deal remains in queue. The Navy blocks the people who are blocking people too. It's a two-blockade solution. Double freedom, double Q. Grand opening on Friday, grand reclosing Saturday. Terms and conditions apply. The main condition is stay away. It's open, close. It's open, close. It's open if you don't own a boat. It's open, close. Believe what you're told. The tankers turn around, but the headline is gold. It's open on the Chiron. It's closed on AIS. It's Schrodinger's shipping lane. The truth is anybody's guess. Open. Thank you for calling the Strait of Hormuz. Your current status is open. This status may not reflect physical reality. Your estimated reopening time is 48 hours. Your deadline has been extended by 24 hours. If you are a tanker, press 1. If you are insured, stop lying. To announce a historic deal that has not occurred, press Truth Social. To rename the Strait after yourself, press 3. Open, close, very close. Nobody knows, but the old chart knows. Taco Tuesday, the deadline disappears. Same grand opening every week this year. 48 more hours, or everybody goes to. Your deadline has been extended. Sir, traffic is at a historic low. That means there are no traffic jams.
The bear day.
Oh, welcome! It's open! It's open! It's open if your vessel's a metaphor. It's open! The greatest thing you've seen. No crude and no LNG, but narrative sail free. It's open on the Chiron. It's closed on AIS. It's Schrodinger's shipping lane. The truth is anybody's guess. Open, 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 open. Close. Open, open. Close. Grand opening! Please remain outside. Mr. President, Iran says it's closed. Then why is it called a strait and not a wall? Open. Open.
It's great. Every time a bounce gets rejected hard, I worry about Danimal. How low can SPX go? I mean, we shouldn't really go below 50, but this is a nasty sell-off, so it may continue. They'll probably get stuck here for a while. Running out of delta under 40 should stall it out, right? Unless we go under 40 and Vana squeeze. Because then the vol pick up and push the delta, the lower strikes higher. And yeah, longer dated in the money options can squeeze off. When spots supported by like nothing but bot calls that are in the money, it's kind of treacherous. Did you set the new overlay? Yeah, it should be on. Is it not like popping up with news? Yeah, have it running. Yeah, it's running. I don't have it set up on my stream at home yet, but I'll get it. The fucking 10 years almost to 475, and it's just the next day. JFresh is gonna be ruined. Are you guys ready for midterm elections to be a national emergency? Why is JFresh going to be ruined? Me and Dork bet for stupid bets this week. We bet that the 10-year would hit 4.75 by the end of the week. Play the bear song. We need a bounce. I just played the bear song. Well, the new bear song. It did not make it bounce. If anything, it made it go down more. Which means it's possible that putting the bear song in the form of a preschool ballad has broken the market. Bounce downward. Level 2 chaotic system, so it's possible. Yeah. It was actually really hard to write a song for Danimal. Let's get this Vana squeeze. We're pretty fucking close. Which is wild, because it's also fairly early in the day. 50's a big deal though. We may not lose 50 right away. Oil's ripping. Still got a gap to close to the upside, I think. Is it? Or maybe not. $86.80. Yeah, it does. There's one at 86.80, and another one closes at 90.47. Be careful of rejections at those levels if you're trading it. I don't have any Eurythmics songs. Bulls are definitely trying to bounce this. There's no question. They do not want to get squeezed out of all of their pets. They've sold so many. We got squeezed out of some of the 50s already. There's a big pile of them at 40. There's this.
When the balls can't pump through gamma neutral, brother Bird comes to us all, speaking words of wisdom, let it fall. When we fail,
No, there's not a ton of Vana. I mean, there's never a lot of Vana at spot.
Speaking words of wisdom, let it fall. Let it fall, let it fall, let it fall. Fuck your cause. Streaming words of wisdom, let it fall.
It really has.
And when bulls have sold so many puts, for their margin will be called, Gherkin has the answer, let it fall. Though we reached an all-time high, the recession can't be stalled. Gherkin streamed the answer, let it fall. Let it.
Ooh, we're getting divergent gamma buttholes. I wonder what Trump's gonna say to this lifeguard. I have a really dumb question. Have you, who have only ever known to be extremely pragmatic and logical in your worldview, ever seen a ghost? Ghosts aren't real. Look is exactly what I wanted. You're welcome. The ghost of Moas Future visited me last night. That sounds frightening. How poor were you? Right? And shadows aren't real. Well, I mean, there's this weird red-eyed baby that hangs out in the corner of my bedroom, like by the ceiling sometimes. But like clearly that's just my like lack of sleep playing tricks on my mind, you know? It's not like a ghost. That's just a demon? Oh, okay. Is Stephanie's chill? No, it's not my cat. My cat hisses at it. Could be a rat. Although it's only there. It's only there when I haven't slept for like 3 or 4 days in a row. Can we lose 50? It's improbable. Weak bounce. A pretty pretty bullish setup. Still, I wouldn't say it's a weak bounce yet. If we fail 55 again, sure, but if bulls hold here, we'll push out higher. Days without sleeping is wild. Sometimes I can't sleep. I got stuff to do. Have you ever opened 50 CL contracts and then tried to take a nap? Oh god. I fall asleep with SPX contracts all the time. Is Jimmy at $16 yet? Ooh, it's trying. Banana left in the fridge overnight. Tastes like banana pudding without all the extra southern diabetes. Oh yeah, first of all, no, it doesn't. Banana pudding is flavored with artificial banana, which is a far better flavor than real banana. Have you guys ever had the little blue bananas? Blue banana. They're called blue Java bananas, I think. Or ice cream bananas. You can grow your own in USDA zones 8 through 11. Now you're just making up new bananas. I'm not. They're a real banana. They taste totally different than Cavendish bananas, which suck. Artificial banana is flavored like the Gross Michel banana, which was the primary like commercial banana before it was wiped out in the 50s by a fungal disease and then replaced by the Cavendish, which is a shitty banana. And the Gros Michel banana had higher concentrations of like isoamyl acetate, which made its flavor like stronger and tasted more like have you ever had banana Laffy Taffy? That's what a Gros Michel banana tasted like. The blue Java banana tastes kind of like vanilla ice cream. But not like shitty vanilla ice cream, like the good stuff that they sell at like Whole Foods for $12 a pint. Bro, get the fuck out of here. Well, I'm dead serious. Now it's a weak bounce. Yeah, Runt's artificial banana flavor. That also works. You sir are the smorg of random info. Thank you. You can buy Gros Michel bananas online. And blue Java bananas. You could also grow your own blue Java bananas. I think you can grow them as long as you live in like like southern Florida or Texas or Southern California. Or Hawaii, maybe. I presented a commercial for autism. Who are they selling to? What are they selling? Maybe I should buy a bag of only banana runts while we have the illusion of freedom. Are they selling autism? I don't know if buying that would be a good idea. You, sir, are a smorg. Did you mean to write smorgasbord? Or smog? Like the dragon from The Hobbit. Or or smorgasbord from like Charlotte's Web. Did you guys ever see the original Charlotte's Web cartoon? Templeton was the shit. I some autism, 0.1% chance to become Girk at stocks, 99.8% chance to be a trained person. I'm big. No, the spider was Charlotte. Smorgasbord. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Templeton was the rat. Do you think it's going to be Trump nuking Iran or Trump shooting missiles at Oman that triggers the market collapse? Why do you think oil rips until he fires off some tweet? I don't know. Above 90 a barrel is a problem for Basant. Hmm. Have you ever had a buttermilk bath? No. I figured it would be the discovery of Baron's Kalshi account. No, that's bullish. If you guys haven't figured this out by now, corruption and lies are bullish. Truth, bearish. He's not that kind of streamer. I did know somebody once who was super into having milk poured on them. So maybe that's a thing people do. Although I feel like they would just make your carpet smell like cheese. They gave the pig a buttermilk bath. I know. My friend's mom had a DVD about that. We discovered it at a party one night. Your friend's mom pouring milk on herself? I've been here long enough to see his only calf. Nice. A wish? Just a fetish video? Strange. It's strange that there was like fetish content back when things had to be recorded to hard media. That must mean that like milk as a fetish is very mainstream. People have been freaks for as long as there have been people. I'm specifically talking about distribution. I'm well aware of that. It's just, it wasn't like you could just upload a video back then. Wait, what? Cheeber called a CNC Mike a fake reporter. Am I a fake person? Probably. God, I would have loved to have lived in the 80s. I 100% would have ended up being a drug dealer. No doubt in my mind. Is GTA based off your alternative life? No. No, it wasn't. All right, here's the deal. If we fail 55 again, I'll play the bear song. You have made a great Scarface. Thanks, man. I have a question for you guys because I've been getting told this a lot recently. Do I look like an evil villain? Who's telling you that? Several people. Fuck. Jafar from Aladdin, possibly, but evil, no. That was hella evil. What's this about living in the 80s? Well, we can't do that anymore, Willie. I lived in the 80s. I was just born during them. I was gonna say, Jafar's evil as fuck. You look like you look like my dealer, and he is nice. I've been told I both have an evil face and an evil laugh. Thank you. When you were telling us your stories living in California, I thought you were Hispanic. So did Hispanic people. That's why I don't. One of the reasons I don't live in Southern California anymore. It wasn't the 3 hour each way commutes every day. It was really just that random Spanish people would come up to me and speak to me in Spanish. And I would be like, okay. You know, and just tell them not all Persians are evil. I'm not Persian. That's a very important distinction right now. No, QUE, not K, like the letter. I'm not Iranian either. I'm not Middle Eastern at all. Just a blend of very white and slightly brown white people. Chiron? Oh, look, news. You guys seeing this shit? It's up there. Huh. I've not seen it work before. That's fancy. Hey, Pasa is a good cat name. Have you considered it? I haven't, but that's amazing. Are there any bears in Greek mythology? It's full of bulls, but I guess if they had bears, the Athenians would have been trying to diddle little children. The nymph Callisto was turned into a she-bear by Hera or Artemis after becoming pregnant with Zeus's child. Have you guys ever tried to, like, map? Okay, this is way too telling about myself, but have you guys ever, any of you ever, like, sat down and tried to make a map of everyone Zeus slept with? What's up, Bendy? Fucking Ben is back, by the way, guys. It was literally everyone. No, I think we may have an individual issue. You mean the Greek family wreath? Greek mythology and Greek polytheism was so much better than Catholicism. Like, the whole story of the Titans is wild. Like, Gaia was just, like, chilling and lonely. And then, so she made, like, Uranus to bang her. And then Uranus wouldn't stop banging her, so all the children that they made got, like, stuck inside her until they could get, like, until one of the Titans, like cut Uranus's wiener off from the inside, and then they all, like, spilled out into the world. And then when it rains, it's because Uranus is crying because his dick got chopped off. I mean, it's some wild shit. And then some bitch told Kronos, like, his children were gonna overthrow him, so he ate them all alive. Sounds a lot like Bible Goes West. Never change. This is what brings me back. There are a lot of children and their parents in Greek mythology. Yeah, yeah. They really invented step sibling content. And democracy. You mean Kronos? We don't use the Roman names. They suck. Okay. I think we need to be honest about that up front, so that we can continue to talk about this topic, because all of the Roman names for the gods were dog shit. Kronos is a way better name than Saturn. Romans ruined it all. They really did like just stealing people's religion. I blame the lead pipes, possibly. It's not like Constantine actually came to Jesus. I mean, he probably did. Phrasing. Oh wait, remember we were shitting? We weren't, but I was shitting on that kid from Barney. Hold on. You gotta like. I don't want you guys to think the worst of me. This was the kid. Okay, see, I mean, you can understand right off the bat why I hated him. And this is him as an adult. He still looks like a piece of shit. Still punchable. He doesn't even have ear things. That shit was just fake. They fucking faked the ear thing for Barney. Yeah, they tell you like you shouldn't judge people based purely on their looks. But that's not true. We judge all kinds of people based purely on their looks. It's a survival mechanism. That's how you identify perverts. Like how you look evil? That's no, not me. Others. Other people. Too bad it doesn't work in the market. I know, it's true. If somebody judged Jensen on his jacket in a video, it'd be $3. Is that a cigarette behind his ear? No, 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 no. He had like the little ear things on. Like you remember like in the 90s when kids were like deaf and they'd have the little ear thing so they could hear? It was like the little tubes. They're not exactly hearing aids, but they are a hearing aid. It's gonna be Sloth from the Goonies in the second pick. Close enough. It was, before we made all of the like therapeutic devices smaller, they served a social function. So you knew who to feel bad for from afar. Nowadays, it's like you find out about people's like weird shit after you get to know them. And that's not fair. No, 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 we're not. Like I remember when I was in like sixth grade, there was this girl who had like this like massive headgear. And I felt bad for her, because obviously that was embarrassing. But I also didn't take the time to like go become friends with her. And then, find out like part of her like jaw was malformed at birth. And it's just, you know what I'm saying? And then I've got to carry that around. It's a lot. Okay, you might be a little evil. How? No, I'm just saying that the identification of things like this was simpler in the good old days. No, no, it's not cheap. And I'm sure they got it all fixed. But like 10-year-old me was able to recognize what was going on there and I was like, well, I already get beat up enough. I don't need to be friends with her, you know? What did you think about the kid kicking the seal in Laguna Beach, California? I haven't seen the video. Although, I will say it's probably pretty hard to hurt a seal by kicking it. And depending on the kind of seal, you could end up being the one getting hurt. You got jail time? For kicking a seal? The beach there's filthy with them. Was he like kicking it or like trying to move it with his foot? I think I need to see the video. Faces prison and $100,000 fine. Okay, so he's not actually going to prison. It was a sea lion. Oh, that's different. Well, 18's also not a kid. Are sea lions endangered? I don't know. It's California, so they're probably like, California sea lions are endangered. They do that a lot there. Yes, they are. Although, I don't know what the fuck a sea lion would be doing in Laguna Beach. I didn't think they had them there. Because, like, the ones they have on the West Coast are, like, the stellar sea lions? I thought those lived, like, north. California sea lions are stable, according to Google. I'm just like I mean, it's really a question of like how the seal, like there's nuance to this. Like how is he kicking the seal slash sea lion? Like if he's trying to move it, that's different, you know. Or if the sea lion's like up in his shit, but like if he's just running up and kicking a sea lion for TikTok, like put him in jail. Like my buddy used to have a boat, and he had to like he had like a giant spatula or an oar, I don't know. And he would use that to remove the seals from his boat every morning because they would just hang out and shit all over it. The sea lion was retreating after kick one. Oh, there's multiple kicks? That's not what was told to me originally. Yeah, fuck him. Yes, the seal spatula. I mean, that's what I called it. It was a, I mean, I think it was an oar, but it was like the paddle part was too big, so it looked like a big like a big spatula. Are they interviewing idiots in Laguna Beach? Oh, he's just kicking it. Fuck him. Oh, that's, yeah. Fuck this. I hope he goes to jail. Piece of shit. He won't. He's probably some fucking rich asshole's kid in Laguna Beach. He'll just pay the fine. He repeatedly kicks a sea lion that was just chilling. Seems uncool, but jail time? Why not? Listen, if somebody's gonna do that, they're gonna do something worse, right? This is not like a one-off. Yeah, don't abuse animals. They can't help being them. You know? It's not like, and like it's not, it wasn't even like bothering him or anything. It'd be cooler if this fucking sea lion like just turned around and bit the fuck out of him. That would have been an acceptable punishment also. People who are animals for fun typically move on to people. Yeah. The world spun off into chaos after he made the wrong call with Harambe. The 3-year-old should have been jailed. I think his parents, like the child's parents who dropped him into a gorilla enclosure, they were the ones at fault. What if it's the same kid? Don't say that. We don't need, not with everyone trying to treat Hayden Pantiere's death as like the next Harambe event. All the fucking gooners on Reddit were posting like save the cheerleader all night long. Was the sea lion okay? I mean, probably. It's like a fucking 300-pound marine mammal, but oh god, gross. Yeah, I know. I want you to know, because of my adversarial personality disorder, it was extremely hard for me to not make a Heroes themed stream card for today's stream. But I did it. See, I'm learning. What about making a Barney one for tomorrow? I might. Well, I don't usually feel bad about other people dying, or celebrities. But other people do, so it's fun to fuck with them. Like when Charlie Kirk died. I'm an hour and 20 minutes behind, and I just came to say that the new Bear song is bitching. I always love it when people are like an hour behind on a live market stream. Like they're clearly not watching for the market. Apparently, that kid's dad is a dentist and his mom is a deputy DA. Some ethics are definitely tested in that case. Wait, the seal kicker? Equal rights for men and women. Hayden deserves the same treatment as Charlie for stream cards. Well, I stopped making the Charlie Kirk stream cards because he did, lean a little to the left there at the end. Mourning a celebrity seems so odd to me. I can understand having nostalgia for their work, but not feeling a loss of someone I never met. Yeah. Is this not a Kashi stream now where we can wager on celebrity deaths? The payouts on that are probably insane. You just start betting? She was really young. Yeah. It's sad. She was like one of the last like child stars that was still alive. And it looked like she'd turned shit around too. Possible OD and cardiac arrest. I think her brother died from like some sort of genetic heart condition at a very young age also. Isn't Miley still alive? I think so. I honestly can't believe Shia LaBeouf is alive. I never watched Stranger Things, so I don't know anything about them. It looked bad. I was like, oh, that's what I want to see. 2012 kids pretending they're in the 80s. Stupid. I can't believe Mitch McConnell outlived Hayden. I would argue that Hayden Panettiere has more consciousness now than Mitch McConnell has in the last 3 years. There's a turtle. Brain dead turtle. Isn't all acting pretending? Sure. But some of it's just not believable. Speaking of turtles, where is Mitch? He's in a hospital somewhere in Kentucky with his wife and her boyfriend and, JD Vance. I guess like we're gonna close somewhere between 55.23 and 77.60.47. Yeah, did JD Vance have any contact with Hayden Panettiere in the last 48 hours? Just curious, mostly. Did you visit any furniture stores? Since we're trading flat, I should play the Valley of Gamma. I ignored today's stream card several times, thinking it was Maximilian or Smug livestream. I know Smug. Huh. Small world. I used to live in LA. Yeah, I used to play Street Fighter a lot. I wasn't like directly friends with him, but we would all go to his friend's house in LA and like grind like during SoCal regionals and shit. Pretty cool. I met my first girlfriend at a Blockbuster Video NBA Jam tournament. Assuming you frequented Family Fun too. This is crazy to hear. Yep. That was pretty good, like, pretty good friends with Valle. I'm sorry, I would go to, like, most of the tournaments he held. How did they smell? Better than Magic tournaments. Aris? Uh, I I feel like I've heard of him, but I don't think he played Street Fighter. Win real life Street Fighter, you versus me till the death. You won't win. I've seen your shoes. I have never in my life, nor will I ever, lose a fight to somebody who wears Sperry's with no socks. I grew up in Bed-Stuy, Rims. You grew up Hamptons adjacent. It's okay, guys. The energy secretary is gonna make some moves to free up the crude cracks. Pumpkin spice coffee to the face. Finishing move. Uh, do they sell pumpkin spice coffee in Florida? Give me a second. I already called today's closing price. Here. Well, within like $3 of where spot is now, I think. No. There's no way we do like 77.18, right? Yeah, something bad would have to happen. Well, we're getting very close to gamma neutral. On August 25th, they start, but who's counting? You're counting. Hold on. Wait a second. I need to get more coffee. Thoughts on memory stacks now that most of them recovered all-time highs, but that was still overpriced. Wait, the SPR went up? Or is that 300 million from last week? Because it was like 298. Oh, the energy secretary? He's full of shit. I mean, probably not. I guess I could lie about how much oil's in the SPR, but I think the report's just kind of automatic. First, they have to declare a national emergency. And then say that the balance of the SPR is like a national defense matter.
Gather close, you bulls and bears. The bell has rung, the risk is theirs.
I guess we could squeeze off the upside.
on came the bulls with their banners held high. They bought every candle and
It'd be
bid
hard to do,
for the
but we
sky.
could.
The puts had gone quiet, calls stacked overhead, while dealers stayed short on the options they spread. Then spot cleared the strike where the street was caught short. The hedgers chased futures and added support. The valley awoke with a shudder.
Was I replaced with AI? Listen, I'm not a musician. I can write lyrics, but I can't do the rest.
The story looks clean till liquidity dries. The flows leave a trail where the narrative dies. Toss a coin to your streamer, hear the whole market clamor. Down in the valley of Gamma, where hedge flows strike like hammers. No grail and no savior, just level size and stamina. Toss a coin to your streamer, we ride the valley of Gamma. The bears bought their puts when protection was dear, then watched all the premium disappear. He checked term and skew and the movement in VIX. No panic confirmed, just positioning shifts. The Fed dropped a hint and the headline screamed, "Buy!" The algos jumped first, they don't stop to ask why. But yields would not follow, the dollar stood tall. He faded the breakout, sold calls at the wall. A headline can glitter, a candle
Nope, this
can
is supposed to be a
lie,
shanty.
but bonds test the story when yields won't comply. Toss a coin to your streamer, hear the whole market clamor. Down in the valley of Gamma, where hedge flows strike like hammers. No grail and no savior, just level size and stamina. Toss a coin to your streamer, we ride the valley of Gamma. Long Gamma, the market gets pinned. Short Gamma, the chase will begin. Charm through the close fast shifts with the ball. Missize the trade and you lose all control. No prophecy, no guru, no guaranteed win. Size it so you can come back again. Toss a coin to your streamer, hear the whole market clamor. Down in the valley of Gamma.
Oh, it's still a cult. I mean, not a cult.
Edge flows strike like hammers. When zero-day monsters come hunting for premium, toss a coin to your streamer. We ride the valley of Gamma.
Someone had to keep making market-themed music, and I was the only option.
Pour something amber. Tomorrow we ride through the valley of Gamma.
What happened to McGurk? He makes stream cards, he doesn't make music. I could be disappointed for you on your behalf, Ben. But you're back now, and that's what matters. I make music that Gook's too jealous over to play on stream. No. When I quit my job, I'll look to start again. Perfect. We still have the bloop songs. Oh no. You guys remember the bloop songs? How's charm at these levels into end of day? Pretty flat. There's a little boop into close, and then it falls off hard.
Right now, that's awesome. I want a pickle. I don't have a PO box set up, but I want to set one up so people just send me pickles from around the world. I can try them all. Because everyone loves pickles. Pickles, they're tasty, except kimchi. I hate that stuff. It's so gross. I keep trying to eat it because it's like popular, and I go out to restaurants and like I was raised to just like eat everything on my plate, and I'll eat it. And every time I eat it, I hate it. I hate myself for not being able to say no. I want a pickle. Should I buy a pickle in business?
Was it before March of 23? I think this was 2024.
How is the pickle world?
I don't know when the clips came. The clips came, I think, from earlier.
I want a pickle. I'm not like obsessed with pickles.
There's no documentation on the Valley of Gamma yet, but you can see it clearly outlined here.
Have you had pickled eggs? No. Are they hard-boiled? Because I don't like hard-boiled eggs. I like, can you pickle a soft-boiled egg? I will not eat pickled herring. I've had it. No, thank you. You can keep that. I don't know what an ono is, but I'd be willing to try it. I'm not like obsessed with pickles. I don't want anyone to think that. Should I buy a pickle?
There were so many. One.
1, 2, 2.
Wait, there's a Domi song? Just pop Somali. Let's go. Hold on. This is important. I need to know more about this. This is Anya? That would require I be all market focused, Ben, which that's never gonna happen. I can't focus on anything for more than 15 minutes.
Dark churning water and the ocean's roar, 1,000 crashing currents pounding on the shore. The storm down below wants to pull her in.
It's Carrie Underwood.
Shadows and the tides begin, but she looks to the sky where the wild winds blow, leaving all the heavy blue far below. Tiny pigeon wings lifting up so high, Domi soars above the chop, riding through the sky, far beyond the turmoil, where the air is clear and bright, gliding with
Gas will be $9.99 long before oil is.
golden light, rising up above.
What do you think happens here? Nothing.
Tommy's coming home today, home above the waves. Giant ocean bodies with the gentlest
It sounds like Olivia Rodrigo if she weren't filled with teenage angst. Isn't Olivia Rodrigo like 25?
Breaking every chain of the salty deep, she takes a place beside them in the open air, leaving all the heavy dark without a care. Tiny pigeon wings lifting up so high, Domi soars above the chop, riding through the sky, far beyond the turmoil, where the air is clear and bright, gliding with the pigeon whales into golden light, rising up above the waves. Domi's coming home today, home above the waves. The sea can keep its thunder, the tide can keep its foam. Up among the clouds is where she found her home. A choir in the heavens
Well, now I'm depressed. Thanks, Nate. I'm gonna go back and play my bear song again. No, I don't need a hug.
It's a bear day.
It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
A little bit of red won't get in the way.
We can trade the downside or sell a few calls.
Watch the little candles as the market falls.
Oh no, draw a little trend line and wait for the break.
Buy a little dip.
Oops, that was a mistake. A red day may not be as bright,
But bears have waited all week for tonight. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
A little bit of red won't get in the way.
We can trade the downside
And still be okay.
look at all the volume. Feel the market thump.
Everybody gather round.
dump, dump, dump.
Sell a little rally.
Watch the buyers beg.
Maybe buy some puts before the next leg.
Outside there may be sunshine.
Inside, the selling never stops.
Never stops. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
A little liquidation won't get in the way.
We can trade the downside
And still be okay.
Bulls like it up,
Up, up, up.
bears like it down.
Down, down, down.
Everybody wants to know who's getting squeezed now.
Turn those candles upside down.
Lower highs and lower lows.
Round and round the market goes.
Someone bought the dip too soon.
See you at support this afternoon.
Keep your position nice and small.
You don't have to catch it all. It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
The bulls like it up
And the bears like it down.
and everybody's getting excited right now.
We like it up,
We like it down.
we like it down.
The harder the move.
The more fun all around.
That sounded funny. It's finance. Of course it is. Red candle.
Yay! Volatility.
Yay!
Puts are printing.
Yay!
Margin call.
Sell the rip.
Buy the dip.
Bought the dip again.
It dipped again.
Oh, maybe stop doing that.
It's a bear day, but that's okay.
We can keep trading and we can still play.
The market can tumble and ruin someone's day.
But probably not ours. It's a bear day,
But that's okay.
that's okay. And we can keep trading and we can still play.
Bulls want it higher and bears want their way.
So wiggle your little puts on a bear day.
Wiggle your puts.
Shake your calls.
Watch those big red candles fall.
We want it up, we want it up.
We want it down.
There's plenty of action to go around.
It's a bear day.
Bear day, but that's okay.
Trade a little red and then call it a day.
Up or down, we'll be back anyway.
It's a bear day.
Hooray!
Don't want them to be shorter. They have to occupy time on an 8-hour stream, Cool Daddy. I understand radio edits. I get it. I know the average human attention span is 12 seconds. But you're trapped in here with me. This song will get used every 45 days during small pullbacks. That's exactly what it's for. Don's song is 2 minutes long.
Dawn's little tiny erect dick. No one knew what to do with it. Daisy laughed 'cause she couldn't find it. She couldn't find it. Dawn's little tiny erect dick. It's a quarter tall and a penny thick. Looks a lot like a pink Q-tip.
The downside support's been weakening.
Pink Q-tip.
But probably
Dawn's
not
little
enough.
Tiny erect dick. Tried to impress with his country tricks, but the ladies laughed, said, bless your heart, oh bless
Maybe before we hit
heart.
5 years.
Dawn's little tiny erect dick. It's a quarter tall and a
Target? I think we're gonna
penny
close
thick.
here.
Looks a lot like a pink Q-tip. Pink
7750 overnight would be interesting.
Pink Q-tip. He thought a big truck would compensate, but size down south doesn't equate. Now Dawn's the talk of the county fair. Poor little Dawn with his modest pair. Dawn's a little tiny erect.
I've missed so much.
It's a quarter tall and a penny.
It hasn't gotten any more normal, I'll tell you that
Looks a
much.
lot like a pink Q-tip. Pink Q-tip. Pink Q-tip. So if you see Dawn down in the south with a sheepish grin and a quiet mouth, just give a nod and a knowing wink. We all know about his little pink shrink.
Ugh. Hmm. $77.55? Roughly. Like within $3 of $77.65? How about the Power Hour song? I don't know if I have that on my laptop. Maybe. Maybe I do. Oh, you know what? I think I have it in our chat. Oh god, you remember this shit?
I can be green, I can be red, I can be violent upside, I can be hurtful, I can be full, I can be anything you'd like. I can be green, I can be red, I can be violent upside, I can be hurtful, I can be full, I can be anything you'd like. I can be green, I can be red, I can be violent upside, I can be hurtful, I can be full, I can be anything you'd like. I can be green, I can be red, I can be violent upside, I can be hurtful, I can be full, I can be anything you like. I can be green, I can be red, I can be violent upside, I can be hurtful, I can be full, I can be anything you
Oh god, there's so many. I remember at some point you made me like a combined version of the Gregorian chant Billionaire song. Shit. God damn it. I clicked the wrong thing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Throwback Monday. Do you guys remember the very first Pickle song? Oh wait, no, that's not it. Hold on. Where's the very first one? Oh shit. I don't even know if that was Ben. There was one even before that. There was like maybe it was. Was it this one? Oh, and there was the first Billionaire song. Which was remember Dan Can?
Hey dude, welcome to the Billionaires. We ain't
not missing it. I see what it's doing. It's just gonna bounce again. Probably. I hope not, but probably. Oh god, yeah, there were so many. I can't believe I can still find these things. It's new. Oh, it's news driven. What happened? Trump's not bluffing about 100% tariffs on the UK. I don't set artificial timelines. That's literally his job. 1 second. I'm back. It's been around long enough to know that Gert wouldn't be around if it wasn't for that Asian GME streamer disappearing one day. Okay, no one ever saw his face. We don't know that he was Asian. You can't say someone sounds Asian. I was eating a bagel the other day and it reminded me of Uncle Bruce. I don't know. Trade Trade's whole thing was a pretty wild ride. Did you hear about Houston Wade, Ben? Houston Wade turned out to be a pedophile. Allegedly. No, what happened? He like so somebody on like Reddit saw that there was like a charge for like solicitation of sex from a minor. Um and then like posted it, and then like Houston Wade had disappeared. I thought you were gonna tell me something that wasn't obvious from the start. He always did seem weird. I don't know if it was like the TGI Fridays manager vibe or what it was exactly. From 2024, Houston Wade Young, 37, was sentenced by U.S. District Court Judge Stephen R. Bow to life in federal prison without parole. Holy fuck, what? Did he kill someone? Oh god, he was a serial killer? Weird is putting it nicely. You were weird. He was off. Well, yeah, okay, that's fair. Holy shit. I think he lived in like Washington or something. Wrong guy. Okay. He was arrested this year? I can't remember. 2024 sounded right. Ted Bundy went to the University of Washington. Just saying. Wait, what? Yeah. Classic Reddit detectives. Oh shit, I nailed the other stupid bet that nobody wanted to do. Anthropic revenue run rate surpasses 65 billion ahead of IPO. I haven't looked into it at all. I don't actually know what he did. I just remember seeing like the warrant thing for his arrest. My aunt dated Ted Bundy when he was making the rounds with Mormon girls in Utah. Oh, Jesus. That's frightening. Has anyone found a way to get people to stop believing the promises of AI in 2 years? I don't think so. I think the ability to like not have to critically think ever has just brainwashed huge swaths of the population. The LDR is that he was caught in a sting trying to meet up with an 11-year-old? Jesus Christ. And they found evidence of several others in the past off his phones. Holy shit. What a fucking weirdo. And to think, if he'd just been a Republican, he could have He could have been the director of national intelligence. No, Lightning Warrior's wife left him because he kept spending all his money at GameStop stores and streaming with face paint on. And then I think he got like sad and stopped streaming. Houston Wade's YouTube channel is how I found you, Garrick. I'm sorry to hear that. What happened to Mo Money? I assume he overfed his dog to the point where it exploded on camera. And then he could no longer stream because people were just there for the dog. Or, you know, AI dictation came out and people didn't need him to read DD to them anymore. We really need to move up like $5. Otherwise, we're going to sell off into close. God, a gamma neutral close would be so cool. Prediction on companies needing to hire juniors again at some point in the future. Well, they won't have any money to do it, so I don't know if it matters. Nope, shit. Wait, is this the good one?
This is the goddamn best.
Ah, here it is. This is what I wanted to listen to.
The instructions for the safety DANs is on the back of the condom wrapper. You can DANs if you want to. You can leave the DANs behind. But if the DANs don't re-accept members, they ain't no DANs of mine. VWAP Disciple gets it. I haven't seen you in a while. Where have you been? First off, can we talk about roots of the Dans, where the Dans come from. It's been a while. Those were the days. They're gone now. Because you've left the primary not a cult and actually formed a real cult behind a dumpster. And yet we've accepted you and your degeneracy. Should you not afford that same opportunity to others? I said this a bunch of times. I'll say it again. The Dans
would start squeezing off the
Dans are
shorts
hypocrites.
under 77.50, like 70. I don't know, 77.47, something like that, maybe.
I specifically have ads on here from Dans, and I can pull them up, where the Dans are advertised as being accepting of all, no matter what. Is this a lie? Have the Dans been actively lying to the people? Can we figure this out? Can we figure out? I have quants. That's what you guys are for. Second of all, everyone in this chat has sharded themselves, okay? Don't act like it's a thing you haven't done. You have. You don't have to tell anyone about it. You may not be brave enough, it's fine, but you've done it. So that's about it. Anything I'm forgetting? All right. Our Lady who art above us, VWAP be thy name. Thy attendees come, thy DD done, in practice as it is in theory. Give us this day our daily gains, and forgive us our bearishness. As we forgive those who bet against us, lead us not into degeneracy, but deliver us from losses. For thine is the market and the profits, and the money, forever and ever. Riku. Don't ever talk to me again.
Is this Prince? When was the last time we played the full outro with all the end credits and callouts? It's been a while. The kids miss the Monkey Island intro to the Sunday stream. I do too, but they also do too. The one with Kid Chameleon and everything. That outro was like 20 minutes long at its peak. It's 5 minutes long. That show was awesome though. I missed that. I still have it on my like stream deck at home. I could play it. No one ever watched it. That's why I stopped doing it. MOC imbalance is slightly positive. Not enough to matter. Is still the first song created for this stream? Bless my ears. I played it earlier. Well, the short puts at 50 are closing because they keep getting tested. And we're what, 8 minutes from close. So we might actually dump. The weird thing though is like there's no support, so you get to 77.21. So if we do dump, like I don't know how far down we go. Like I would just imagine short puts squeeze all the way down, maybe 40. But it gets real weird around there because like under 45, Vana will start squeezing. And so then the MM has to they have to sell delta into the downtick more. Like they have to sell delta into the up, like the increase in vol on the downtick. That would be very bearish. That almost never happens. As I walk through the bong cloud of the gamma that's left, I fear low Vana. Wonder if Delta's doing anything interesting here. Not really. The most likely outcome is that bulls are able to hold 50 to some degree. But I guess 30 or 58 are also both possible. But I just don't think we could get to 30 in time. Yeah, that'd be a fucking crazy end of day sell-off. Should I buy some 30 puts for 5 cents each? 35? How much is the 35 put? It can't even be expensive. $35 puts are 10 cents. Are you gonna play an end of day song? I've been playing songs all day. Alright, what do you guys want to hear? They don't know. Do you want the synth pop version or the like Maretown version?
Jerome Powell at the mic, calm enough to sound right. So transitory, give it time. Don't read too much into the rise. But rent
Is this actually gonna Vana squeeze?
groceries ran, gas hit hard on the working man, and every month the same old line. We think it's gonna cool in time. First it was a blip, then it was a phase, then it was be patient, but the price is stay. They don't know. Changes not yet.
There's not much more delta to the downside.
Inflation while the bond market made its bed. They don't know.
Vana spikes hard under 45.
That's the answer from the podium. Soft and slow. They don't know. They don't know. Maybe higher means forever. Maybe no one wants to know. Every time the story changes, everybody pays it home. They don't know. They don't know. Now crew jumps on war and rumor.
It's like, what, 2 minutes?
Moves the spread. Every one-time shot they mention.
Yeah, I don't think there's enough time.
In milk and bread. Saint Jerome with printer halo. Patron saint of fuck your puts. Half the street still buys the pivot. Half just watches crude call the tune. They can clip each answer, make it sound serene. But the joke stops being funny when the price at the pump still climbs. Too late to call it what it was.
20 months since I had to resync my YouTube accounts and 20 months of YouTube shadow banning. It will represent. Is it because you made a new account?
Now the long end won't sit still. He can hold the overnight rate, but he can't make the whole curve kneel.
Oh, pop.
They don't know. They don't know. That's the answer from the podium. Soft and slow. They don't know. They don't know. Not inflation, not stagflation, just a fire no one controls. Every time they smooth the language, everybody pays it home.
I'll buy a 50 call right here.
They don't
There's not enough time. Damn it.
Transitory came and went, but nothing really cool. Now it's we just don't.
I think you're shadow banned on X. I never see your posts.
Man who swore he knew.
Ooh. That was fun. Ding ding.
Hey.
Yeah, I know. Alright. Well, I will see you guys for market on close. And I'll get like all of the Pickles pick stuff out tonight. That was indeed a bear day. It was. That's why the song came out today. Because it was a bear day. And that's when we were back at, like 77.70. Tenure at 4.724. I know. I put in a little effort to search for you. Weird. Yeah, I'm probably banned everywhere. I say things people don't like to hear often. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later.